I'm Chef Mike Moses and welcome to my channel. This is normally a cooking channel, but in the spirit of always evolving, always learning, in 2020 we're going to do something completely different. But we're also going to look towards self-sufficiency. We're going to grow our produce. Thank you so much for being with me throughout the winter months as we took some time off from October until about the middle of March here, just to recharge and get things ready to go. You may remember from a video that I posted quite a while ago, I'll put a link up here, of my small garden, my little 2 raised beds, my small little greenhouse. Well, 2020, things have gotten bigger. I've got a lot here next to my house that's about 1,800 square feet or more, and it's going to be all garden this year. I'm going to do a no-dig approach. I'm going to lay down some cardboard mulch and some compost, and we're going to start growing all kinds of vegetables. If you're wondering what I've been up to in the last 6 months, well, I've been doing some traveling, visiting a good friend of mine, Chef Mike Newton, down in Lipan, Texas at the Double N Ranch, and we've been doing some ranching. I can do all kinds of things, and building a fence and stuff like that. We're going to apply those techniques that I learned down on Mike's ranch here on my property. Well, we've got to get this lot cleaned up, so please stick around, enjoy it as we cut up some trees, do some burning, clean out the brush, clean out the area for the wildflowers, and build the compost bins.
Cold hand, frozen feet, raindrops falling on the street. I can't recall when I last saw the sun. Summer's just a memory, a faded piece of history. No one can remember all the fun. The late night barbecue, zipping on a gin and juice. Cruising down the road, no thought of getting old. The girls are hot, but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never done. I work hard every day, don't waste my time on yesterday. I never shy away from a good time. Coming on Friday night, I see my friends and feel alright. There ain't no stopping us from having fun. There ain't no cloud in sight. The future is looking bright. Cruising down the road, no thought of getting old. Girls are hot, but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never done.
If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Ring the bell if you'd like to be notified of new videos. I'm going to try to get these up at least once a week, either as a cooking video or what's going on in the garden. It is about the middle of March, and I've got about a month and a half before I can start putting stuff into the ground. Until then, I got to get the infrastructure built. I have to put up the deer fence, I have to lay out the beds, we have to get them mulched and get all kinds of the dirt in. It's going to be a good time. It's going to be a lot of fun. I do hope you join me. For more information on this recipe and more, head over to my website, www.chefmikemoses.com. You'll find I have a blog running there with the recipes that you can print off. I hope you enjoy this. I'm here to help you cook better, shop smarter, and eat healthier.